comes Rich. I don't know how he can manage to get up this driveway. I don't know if he can. It's too deep. This is crazy. He went to work today. I think he's stuck already. Hush. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, he's backing up. He's never going to make it up that driveway. The truck's going to be buried. I don't know what he's going to do. It's crazy to even try. Jeez Louise. Yeah, this was some blizzard, I tell you. As you can see, the snow is pretty damn deep. The road is not too bad. We try and turn into our driveway and forget it. The whole driveway, as you can see, is filled up with snow. I don't know what he's going to do. It's no better on that side. Wow. I guess he'll back in and walk up. I don't know. I don't think he knows what to do either.